Hi guys, welcome back. Here we are with a new recipe of masala cheese fingers. We'll start with taking around 200 grams of paneer that will cut it into finger size batons basically, and it is very important to get an even cut for well finished product. We'll start making marination around half a cup of yogurt. We'll put around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste in it, some salt as per your preference. This is around half a tablespoon of garam masala powder, and the same amount of red chili goes in. We will also put half tablespoon of chaat masala, that is completely optional, and then you go with around 3 tablespoon of oil in it. We will also add juice of a lemon. It is very important to balance all the flavors, and it gives a good tanginess to your dish. So don't skip it. And here comes the cheat, around a tablespoon of gram flour to give it a right consistency. Just mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps in it. It should not be too thick and not too thin. Just check the consistency we require. And now we'll add on our cheese fingers and we'll marinate. Don't rush at this moment. We don't want to create any mess in it, so be slow. Use the spoon to coat the fingers evenly and make sure the marination goes on it very well, because it is the main flavor that we have inside. So once it's done, we'll take an egg. It's a basic recipe. We can use chicken the same way. We are using paneer, and we'll beat one egg, and we'll start crumbing. First, we'll take the marinated paneer and we'll dip it into refined flour, and we'll put an even coating that is not too thick. Just dust the extra flour from it and put it into the egg wash. Transfer it to your breadcrumbs and put some crumbs over it and press it. It is very important that you press it once it's into crumbs, because if we don't do that, it will come out when we'll fry. So just keep pressing it gently and apply crumbs all over until it covers it very evenly, and this is how it will look once we are done. It's time to fry it. Put your oil on medium heat. Don't put it on very high heat, otherwise it will get burned. And we need to cook that marination from inside, so we'll start with medium heat. We'll put inside one by one. Just let it rest like this. Don't be too curious. Don't hurry much, and just let it cook. You need to turn them around after around a minute, and it is cooked from one side, and once it is done, you'll get this color. Make sure you don't cook them more, otherwise it will get burned. Now we'll make a quick dip for it. We'll add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup to around 3 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Also half tablespoon of Szechuan sauce. You can use any commercial Szechuan sauce that is easily available in the market. We will finish it with some seasonings. Just a pinch of salt, not much. And little bit of black pepper. Once everything is inside, we'll mix it with a spoon and make sure everything is mixed properly. This is a very quick and very simple dip that goes very well with all the fried snacks. And you can see the bright red color, and this is done. Plate the snack in a black platter along with dip on side. This is how it will look. And thank you so much for watching this recipe. I hope you will like, subscribe, and comment.